unlocking the essence of pour in the mixture. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pour in the mixture. Whether you're in the kitchen following a recipe or doing an experiment in a science lab, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in different contexts. Pour in the mixture involves two key actions, pouring and the mixture. To pour means to flow or cause to flow in a steady stream from or into a container or place. The mixture, on the other hand, refers to a combination of two or more substances that are mixed together but not chemically combined. So, when we say, pour in the mixture, we're talking about transferring a blend of substances from one place to another. This phrase is commonly used in cooking and baking scenarios, where you might be combining ingredients to make a batter or sauce. For example, a recipe might instruct you to pour in the mixture of flour and water into the pan. It's also used in scientific experiments, where precise measurements and steps are crucial for success. 1. In cooking, imagine you're making pancakes. The recipe calls for you to pour in the mixture of milk, eggs, and flour into a hot skillet to form each pancake. 2. In science, if you're conducting an experiment about chemical reactions, you might be instructed to pour in the mixture of vinegar and baking soda into a test tube to observe the reaction. Listen for context clues in sentences that might hint at the action being performed. Practice using the phrase in different scenarios, both verbally and in writing, to become comfortable with its application. Remember, the key is understanding the action, pouring, and the subject, the mixture, to apply this phrase accurately. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, pour in the mixture, and how it can be used in various contexts. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.